everyone, welcome to Uncle Milan's cooking. And then we're making today a pork stir fry. Yeah, so to make a pork stir fry, we're using about 500 grams of thinly sliced pork loin, one sliced onion, and then fresh chili. I've taken out the seeds. The reason I've taken out the seeds because I don't want my kids having that spicy food. I don't want it, but it's not that I don't want it. They don't want it. I just want them to have a flavor of spice. Anyway. Also, we're using rapeseed instead of sesame seed. The reason I'm using rapeseed because I don't want to waste it. That's the main thing about it. But generally in Chinese cooking, they use a sesame oil for it. There you go. Sichuan pepper. I've got about 10 of them. I've crushed it, and I like the flavor of it. I always love it. And then we've got this baby carrot, which is 3 of them. Cut into round pieces. There you go. And then we've got a leek, which is 3 of them, and then I've cut into quarters. Yeah, it's not a time finely chopped. And then we've got 5 mixed spices. There's a powder, which you can get it on internet or wherever it is. If you want to get it in Amazon, you can get it. It's about 3 teaspoons of them. And so we've got 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. There you go. And then about a small piece of ginger, which has been crushed into a pestle. And then we've got 3 cloves of garlic, which has been crushed. And then 1 big ginger, which has been finely sliced. Because I've used, this is crushed and this is sliced. That's what it is. And we've got about 3 teaspoons of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, that's why it looks a bit pink in color. And then I've used 4 red chilies, but I've taken out the seeds again. Don't want my kids don't want the spicy bit, so I just want the flavors out of chicken. And we will be using this dark soy sauce. The reason I'm using dark soy sauce is I'm using almost about 1 tablespoon just to give the color. And then also I'm using a Chinese style shaoxing rice wine, which is about 1 tablespoon just to marinate it. And then people generally use hoisin sauce, but I'm using kebab manis, which is similar. It's an Indonesian, similar to hoisin sauce, but this is an Indonesian sauce. This is sweet. I just like the flavor, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of it as well. So that's what it is. We're going to start with marinating our pork slices first. So we're going to start with cornstarch. Do you agree with that? Mm-hmm. That's 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. And then I'm going to add my 5 mixed spices. This is 3 teaspoons of them. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of salt. This is a Himalayan salt anyway. And then I'm going to add the crushed garlics. Yeah? And then what I'm going to add is, to get the color, a dark soy sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon of it. That's it. 1 tablespoon of this kebab manis, which is similar to hoisin sauce. So obviously I'm going to make 1 tablespoon. That's it. This is going to give color, a sweetness to that pork stir fry. And then I'm going to add my daughter don't want it, but I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of rice wine. That's it. Yeah? Not too much. Okay, So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it in my hands.
Squishy.
There you go. And then this is mixed well. I'm gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. Our pork slice has been marinated for 15 minutes now. So we're gonna start cooking now. Whoops! Didn't want to do that. There you go. Drop the lid off the oil. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. If you got sesame oil, that's fine. It's better. But rapeseed oil should be doing well. Alright. I'm gonna just swing around a little bit so that it doesn't. Alright, so this oil in the wok is steaming now because I want my pork to be crispy. Sounds good. I want to spread it out so that it goes evenly, it gets cooked evenly. So there we go. I will let it be like this for 15 seconds first, and then let it cook for a while. The pork's been cooking for about what, 3 to 4 minutes now. So cooked well. So here you go. You can see it. I'm gonna pour it separated in my little bowl. There you go. That's it. It's about what? 1 tablespoon? 1.5 tablespoon, let's say. Alright? So first we're gonna add is Sichuan peppers. Yeah? See? I don't want that. I don't want this gravy gone out. So there you go. And then I'm gonna add my garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add my little baby carrot. And then I'm gonna add my onion. There you go. And then I'm gonna add my chili, fresh chili. Beautiful. It looks beautiful too. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add my red chili, dried chilies, which has been seedless now. I've taken out the seeds, but my kids don't want a spicy one, but wants the flavor of seeds. I'm gonna add that bit. And then I'm gonna add my ginger. There you go, in this sliced ginger. Spread it all on. Looks beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna let it cook, but I don't want to be overly cooked because I don't want that crunchiness of that vegetable and my everything. I'm gonna add my pork back to the thing, the other ingredients. There we go. And then I'm just gonna mix it well.
Okay, so I'm going to be trying this pork stir fry that my Danny made. It's got all these different types of veggies and all that stuff. So I'm going to take some of this and some of the rice to get like all of it. Let's take a big bit.
What do you think? Oh, yeah, my child.
That's really good.
Take one more bite and see. Get that chili bit. It's not spicy. You gotta try it. Put some rice in it. Okay, try it. Come on, be a daring. Spicy.
Tastes like a pepper.
That's what I said. Not spicy, isn't it? Is it good or not? What do you think?
Very good.
Yeah.
You get that chewy flavour when you eat pork stir fry, which is very nice. And it's also very soft and easy to swallow.
Can you feel like a little bit of sweetness in it?
So good. 10 out of 10.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna end this video now. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe us, like. We're gonna make more videos with my kids and me. We love cooking. We're gonna make more traditional cooking. Please do subscribe us and like us and follow us. We're gonna make more interesting cooking. Alright guys, there you go. That's our cooking today.